Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, good people. This is your good brother Nasudi Mama Tumre. And again, welcome back to KTG Comedic Trading Group. Want to show off another trade. Profitable Fridays. Might start a series like that. Profitable Fridays. And of course, just to give me a chance to plug the university and show our worth. Real quick, I want to go ahead and show the setup on this, and let's get into it. Basically, I'm on my MT4 in one of our accounts, and we are shorting or selling or going down. All means the same thing on the Aussie USD. That's the Australian dollar against the US dollar. And shorting or going down, we are making a profit on the way going down. As you can see, they're offering us $50 right now. And what I'm going to do is 9 times out of 10, the market should go our way very easily, very simply. So I'm going to go ahead and move our risk, which is right now, our risk is actually $59 of risk. So we're going to go ahead and take that off of the board completely. All right. Put about $7.50 in our pockets. And what that simply means is, we call this a free trade, but what it simply means is that the worst thing that could happen to this trade, if the market turns around and flip up, the worst thing that could happen is we'll walk away with $7.50 from the transaction. All right. Of course, I could go ahead and totally take this whole profit off, this $60 off the board, and put that in our pocket and be done with the trade altogether, which wouldn't be a bad decision, because Fridays, which I call Fridays trick days, is very, very, you have to be cautious on Fridays. So whatever you could get, whatever opportunity that you could benefit from, I suggest that you take it and run from it. But my executive decision right now for this particular trade is I'm going to go ahead and let it run and take my risk off the board and, go ahead and so to speak, punt off my profits to make more profits. And what I'm going for is, as you can see, $222, about 44 pips, 44, 45 pips. We should be able to make it. We should be able to make it, if not today, next week, but I don't like to hold trades over the weekend, so anywhere close up into there, $150, $200, yeah, we're going to go ahead and take that, because abundance, we live by abundance, and we know that opportunities will come again. But let me go ahead and show the setup of it and dig into it, and again give a chance to promote our university. The Aussie USD, yesterday they had some news this week, some heavy news, FOMC, a couple of things going on. And yesterday we noticed that this market was pushing up into a zone, a clean zone that we wanted to investigate. The market did rest up in that zone, as you can see, and it kind of rejected it fairly. It didn't reject it hard enough for us to take any sales off of this. To thus far, it still looked as if the market might have been strong on buys going up. Asian market came about, and around about 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock last night Eastern time, we do see that we're getting a bearish, some kind of bearish action, or interest from the bears from these higher prices in our already predetermined area. Market did react to it, and we did not get in here, which would have been a very, very good entry. I'm not going to get into the 5 minutes or to our entry charts right now, but this would have been a very good because we was anticipating this area anyway, this would have been a very, very good move. Maybe the risk of about 15 pips. Right now it's peaking at 60 pips. So, this would have been a really good trade. We didn't take that. What we wanted to do, though, is latch on to this because the bears do look like they back in control from what they was previously doing before, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And I'm expecting to make these lows again and even go ahead and take these lows out. It's a lot of what we call school of fish down here for the big sharks to have a buffet with. So looking forward to it to making down here. As you can see, the 44 pips, 12 pips at risk. We already took that at on our MT4. We already took the risk off the board. So to us, it's a free trade. And yeah, man, that's how we do it. You come join us and you will learn these things, right? You will learn these things, right? And all you have to do is very simple, is come to, where do you have to come, brother? Where do they have to come? They have to come to KTG University dot think ific dot no dot com and enroll. And I'm so sorry, let me go back. I apologize. Let me go back to this because that's wrong. You want to not do you want to do a dash. So there you have it. KTG University at thinkific.com. Enroll into the classes and you will receive you will receive the classes, which is the lesson 1 training course. You would also receive a free strategy, the follow me strategy, and you also will be able to get 1 month free KTG Community Help Center. It's only $25 a month, but when you purchase the university, you enter into the university, you will receive 1 month free of this. And it's here to help the people. Like I say, it's the Community Help Center. You get education, announcements. You could get to ask KTG us anything that you need to. We have merchandise, shirts and sweaters and stuff. Trade alerts that we will be putting up there. We don't like to give signals, but we will be giving out alerts, heads ups, right? We are dealing with the Forex, of course. We're dealing with Nadex binary options, and we're probably going to add another broker to that. Nadex, we are looking into another broker that we will add into options and binary options. We have precious metals, and we are also dealing with the cryptocurrency. And again, we do not do signals, but we do heads up alerts. And when you learn the system, you will see stuff like this. You will see stuff like, hey, we are looking at this particular area for maybe some reaction from the sales and whatnot. If you notice, this was September the 20th, 2021 at 8 o'clock in the morning. The next picture developed on September the 21st, 2021. This is where exactly we was looking for this. As you can see, if anybody was looking at this or taking this, tracking this down, they would have got in very good on this. And the conclusion of that happens on September the 23rd, where we ended up making, most of us ended up making full profit off of that major target that I hit. So stuff like that, very beneficial to the traders, to neophytes, to rookies, and to seasoned traders too. We motivate you guys to join us, right? And give us a try. Whatever you've been doing before might have not been working, or whatever you've been doing been working, but you wanted to tweak it a little bit more. You know, whatever the case may be, we are here to help. We are here to serve our people. And again, if you don't get your services from KTG, we both lose money. Peace, peace,